There are moments in life when everything feels strangely quiet. Prayers feel delayed. Doors stay closed. Days begin to blur together. Many people carry silent battles that nobody else can see. Some are exhausted from waiting. Others are trying to stay strong while slowly losing hope inside. And sometimes the silence becomes so heavy that it feels like heaven stopped listening. But throughout history, some of the biggest turning points began during seasons that looked empty on the surface. That is why the May 30th moon has captured the attention of so many people lately. Something about this moment feels different, not because the moon itself holds power, but because certain seasons arrive with unusual weight. Certain dates begin to carry emotional meaning. And sometimes, people sense change before they can explain it. Long before breakthroughs become visible, there is often a shift that happens quietly in the spirit, in the mind, and deep inside the heart. Many people are entering May 30th carrying disappointment, fear, confusion, and unanswered questions. Some are fighting financial stress. Some are dealing with emotional pain they never speak about. Others feel trapped in a season that refuses to end. Yet there are times when life changes suddenly after long periods of waiting. One moment can redirect an entire future. One unexpected opportunity can open a door that looked permanently locked. And according to ancient patterns found throughout scripture and human history, breakthrough seasons often arrive after periods of silence, delay, and emotional exhaustion. That is the strange part. Before major change appears, people usually feel the weakest. Before restoration begins, life often feels uncertain. Before light breaks through, darkness usually feels heavier. That pattern has repeated itself for generations. There is also another detail many people overlook. Across different civilizations and cultures, the moon has often symbolized transition, reflect, ion, endings, and renewal. During difficult times, people look toward the night sky, searching for reassurance that seasons could still change. Even in biblical writings, signs in the heavens were sometimes connected to shifts, warnings, or new beginnings. Most people never stop to think about how deeply these symbols affected the emotional and spiritual lives of those who came before us. And now, May 30th arrives at a time when countless people are quietly asking the same question inside themselves. Is my situation finally about to change? That question may be more important than people realize, because sometimes the deepest transformations begin before external proof appears. There are moments when life begins shifting underneath the surface, long before the results become visible to others. A new chapter can begin silently. A miracle can begin with something small, one conversation, one answered prayer, one unexpected connection, one opportunity nobody saw coming. In this video, you are going to discover why so many people believe the May 30th moon marks the beginning of a new spiritual season. You will learn about the hidden emotional patterns that often appear before breakthrough moments. You will also hear lesser-known biblical connections tied to waiting seasons, divine timing, and restoration after long periods of silence. And near the end of this video, there is one powerful truth about miracles that most people completely misunderstand. Missing it could cause someone to walk away from their breakthrough too early. That final lesson may change the way you see your current struggle forever. Because not every miracle arrives loudly. Some begin quietly. Some begin in silence. Some begin when people are closest to giving up. There is another reason you should stay until the very end. Many viewers watching this right now are carrying burdens they never talk about. Some are losing faith because nothing seems to be changing. Others are emotionally drained from trying to hold everything together. But tonight, something inside this message may speak directly to the part of you that has been searching for reassurance. Not coincidence, not luck, timing. There are moments when messages reach people exactly when they need them most, and perhaps this is one of those moments. The truth is, many people only recognize the beginning of their miracle after everything has already changed. At first, the signs often seem small, almost unnoticeable, but later they realize those quiet moments were actually the start of a completely different season. May 30 may become that kind of moment for someone watching right now, not because life suddenly becomes perfect overnight, but because hope begins returning again, strength begins returning again, peace begins returning again. And once a person regains hope, everything starts changing from there. Tonight, we are going deeper into the hidden meaning behind this season, the emotional struggle before breakthrough, and the signs that may reveal your life is entering a new chapter sooner than you think. So stay with this message until the end. One part of this video may connect with your situation more personally than expected. And if you believe messages about faith, hope, purpose, and God still matter in today's world, welcome to our channel. This community exists to encourage people during difficult seasons and remind them that silence does not mean abandonment. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and stay connected for more messages that bring hope, clarity, and spiritual encouragement when people need it most. There are seasons in life that feel endless. Days pass without answers. Prayers seem to rise into silence. People continue smiling in public while privately fighting discouragement, fear, and emotional exhaustion. Some begin questioning whether God still sees what they are carrying. Others wonder if their waiting has any purpose at all. But one of the most overlooked truths in Scripture is that God often works quietly before major change appears. The silence does not always mean absence. Sometimes silence means preparation. Many of the greatest biblical breakthroughs arrived after long periods of delay. Joseph spent years forgotten before his life suddenly changed in a single day. David was anointed long before he became king. Abraham waited through impossible years before receiving the promise he was given. Even in moments where heaven seemed quiet, something was still moving underneath the surface. That matters more than most people realize, because many viewers watching right now are standing in that exact kind of season. A season where progress feels slow. A season where answers seem delayed. A season where emotions rise and fall constantly. Yet hidden seasons often shape people before visible blessings arrive. Spiritual growth rarely happens during comfort. It usually happens during uncertainty. That is why pain can feel so confusing. People expect miracles to arrive quickly, but many times transformation begins deep inside before anything changes on the outside. Strength is developed in hidden places. Faith is tested in quiet moments. Character is formed while nobody else notices the struggle, and sometimes the waiting itself becomes part of the preparation. There are people listening right now who almost gave up recently, people who became tired of trying, tired of hoping, tired of believing things could still improve. But many breakthroughs arrive right after the moment when people feel emotionally exhausted. That pattern appears repeatedly throughout history and throughout faith. Darkness often feels strongest before morning arrives. That is one reason the May 30th moon feels emotionally powerful to so many people right now. Across generations, people look toward the night sky during moments of uncertainty and reflection. The moon became a reminder that seasons continue moving even when life feels frozen. Ancient cultures watched the changing moon as a symbol of transition, renewal, and timing. Even during the darkest nights, the moon quietly reminded people that cycles never remain the same forever, and perhaps that is what makes this moment feel different. Not because the moon itself creates miracles, but because certain moments awaken something inside people. They create reflection, awareness, expectation. They remind people that change is still possible even after long periods of disappointment. Seasons never change all at once. First, there are small shifts, subtle moments, quiet feelings. Then suddenly, everything looks different. That is how many life-changing seasons begin. Slowly at first, then all at once. May 30th may become symbolic for many people because it arrives during a time when countless hearts are searching for renewal. Some are praying for emotional healing. Some are asking God for direction. Others simply want peace after carrying stress for too long. And while the world continues moving quickly, many people secretly feel desperate for reassurance that their lives are not stuck forever. Sometimes God uses ordinary moments to begin extraordinary things. A simple conversation, a random opportunity, an unexpected encounter, a sudden realization. People often expect miracles to arrive dramatically, but many breakthroughs begin quietly and grow over time. That is why some viewers may already feel signs that a new season is beginning. Not dramatic signs, subtle ones. Perhaps there has been a stronger desire for peace lately, a deeper need to protect your energy from negativity. Maybe certain distractions no longer feel important anymore. Some people notice themselves becoming emotionally tired of fear, conflict, or hopeless thinking. Others feel a strange pull toward prayer, reflection, or spiritual growth after months of emotional numbness. Those shifts matter, because internal change often begins before external change. Becomes visible. Some viewers may notice small positive moments appearing recently, tiny doors opening, small improvements in relationships, unexpected encouragement arriving at the right time. Even moments that seem ordinary can become signs that life is slowly moving in a different direction. There is also another emotional sign many people ignore: exhaustion. Not physical exhaustion alone, but emotional exhaustion from carrying too much for too long. Strange as it sounds, many people reach a breaking point right before major change begins. They become tired of fear, tired of anxiety, tired of repeating old cycles. And that exhaustion sometimes pushes people into deeper surrender, honesty, and dependence on God. That shift can change everything, because fear loses power once a person becomes ready to release it. And perhaps that is what some viewers are experiencing right now, a growing feeling that something inside can no longer remain the same. An inner sense that a chapter, it is ending even if the future is still unclear. Those moments are uncomfortable, but they are often important. Growth rarely feels comfortable while it is happening, and during seasons like this, preparation matters deeply. Before breakthrough arrives, God often calls people to protect their peace, to stop speaking hopelessness over their future, to stop allowing fear to control every thought. Words carry weight, especially during difficult seasons. Constant negativity slowly drains faith, expectation, and emotional strength. That is why guarding the mind becomes so important. Not every battle is physical. Some battles happen silently inside thoughts every day. Many people are praying for change while continuing to speak defeat over themselves. But faith grows differently. Faith continues believing even during uncertainty. Faith chooses patience while answers remain delayed. Faith keeps moving forward one step at a time even when the full picture remains hidden. That does not mean pretending pain does not exist. It means refusing to let pain become the final voice. There are also viewers holding on to bitterness from past disappointments, old wounds, betrayal, regret, unanswered prayers from years ago. But carrying bitterness into a new season can quietly block emotional healing. Sometimes preparation for a miracle begins with releasing what has been poisoning the heart for too long, and that process is not easy. Healing rarely happens overnight. Trust rarely rebuilds instantly. But freedom often begins the moment a person decides they no longer want darkness controlling their future. Because miracles do not always begin with loud signs. Sometimes they begin with internal change. One peaceful night after months of anxiety. One hopeful thought after years of fear. One unexpected phone call, one open door. One opportunity nobody predicted. Entire lives can change through moments that originally seemed small and unimportant. Many people miss the air breakthrough because they expect immediate dramatic transformation. But throughout history, many of the biggest blessings began quietly, almost invisibly at first. A seed underground looks small before becoming something powerful, and perhaps some miracles are already beginning in ways people cannot fully see yet. And perhaps that is why this message found you tonight, not by accident, not randomly, but during a season when your heart needed reassurance the most. There are people watching this right now who feel emotionally exhausted, people who smiled through pain nobody noticed, people who kept praying even after disappointment, people who almost stopped believing things could still change, yet something inside them continued searching for hope. That matters, because people do not continue searching unless a part of them still believes healing is possible. And maybe May 30th becomes more than just another date on the calendar. Maybe it becomes the moment you stop believing. Your life is stuck forever. Maybe it becomes the beginning of restored peace, the beginning of renewed faith, the beginning of emotional healing, the beginning of doors opening that once seemed permanently closed. Sometimes people expect miracles to appear instantly and dramatically, but many life-changing seasons begin quietly. One answered prayer, one unexpected opportunity, one new connection, one moment that slowly changes everything afterward. That is why you cannot lose hope now. Not after surviving everything you already survived. Not after carrying battles that nobody fully understood. Not after making it through nights that tested your strength emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Your current season is not necessarily your final season. Many people in Scripture thought their story was ending when God was actually preparing a new beginning. The waiting felt painful, the silence felt confusing, but later they understood something important. God was still working. During the quiet moments, and perhaps He is still working now in ways you cannot fully see yet, even when progress feels slow, even when answers feel delayed, even when life feels uncertain. There are moments when heaven becomes quiet, right before everything begins to change. So if this message connected with your spirit today, take a moment and declare it boldly in the comments. Type, May 30th, my miracle is coming, or simply, God is working. Sometimes speaking hope out loud becomes the first step toward believing again. And if this video encouraged you even a little, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. These messages are created to remind people they are not alone during difficult seasons. Every video is meant to bring hope, faith, peace, and encouragement to those quietly fighting battles inside. Also share this video with someone who may be losing hope right now. One message can reach a person at exactly the right time and completely change the direction of their day, their mindset, or even their life. Keep praying, keep believing, keep protecting your peace, and keep moving forward one day at a time, because some blessings arrive slowly, some answers arrive unexpectedly, and some miracles begin during the very season people thought nothing was happening. May 30th may not just mark another ordinary night. For someone watching this right now, it may quietly become the start of an entirely new chapter.